What's up guys, it's Lauder from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a Debossed effect on Canva just like this one, into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our Canva and we're gonna move to elements from the left sidebar of menus and shapes. Choose this shape right here, the square shape. Move it just like this so you can cover all the possible size of the page, just like this, following these margins. Now let me apply some color on it. I'm gonna use this light pink color, just like this. Now on your keyboard you can type T to add the text. You can type the text that you wish, just like this. I can type, for example, Visualmodo, just like this. Let me move it to the center. You can change the font. I recommend that you use some larger font. This is one example, the League Spartan. Just drop it like this. I think it's okay. Now you need to change the color, the text color to white. Simple, right? Then you're gonna need to click on share. Let me just remove the first one. Click on share. Click on see all. Copy to clipboard. Copy to clipboard again. All done. Now I'm gonna remove this text and enter the text right here. Simple, right? Now I'm gonna click on it and BG remover. It's gonna look like this. Now you can adjust in the case that you want, all up to you, okay? Click on edit, scroll down, go to shadows, drop. You can play with angle, just like this, and the intensity until you find the design that you wish. Then you can drop it right here, play with the margins, just like this. Let's group all the elements and you can play with your content in the way that you wish. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!